Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, titingnan natin itong Nissan Terra 2.5 liters VL variant 4x2 automatic transmission. Yung kulay po pala nito is Nebula Metallic Red and it will cost 2,189,000 pesos SRP. Right? So titingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Alright, this Nissan Terra has a maximum output of 187 horsepower at 3,000 RPM with a maximum torque of 450 Newton meter of torque at 2,000 RPM. It has a fuel capacity of 80 liters and an estimated fuel consumption of 9.3 liters per 100 kilometer. And it can be paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission. The new Nissan Terra features a revised exterior that's complemented by a more prominent fascia. To begin with, it receives a new V-motion grille, quad LED headlights, and a redesigned front bumper that on higher trim levels also contains LED fog lamps. Okay, so meron tayong nakikita ditong sensors sa front. And dito sa front fascia, very noticeable yung chrome accent, especially dito sa grille. The V-motion grille. The Nissan emblem. Looking over the side, the Terra retains its recognizable design, but there are a few minor updates to note, such as the new alloy wheel choices that come in a combination of 17 and 18-inch wheels. So, yung rim size nito is 18-inch. And naka-alloy machine cut and two-tone. Right? Naka-Bridgestone yung gulong. And dito sa side, parang may accent dito sa side. And yung side mirror, naka-body color, may turn signal light repeater, and naka-360 yung camera. So, meron na din siyang step board. And naka-chrome yung handle with keyless entry. So, dito sa likod, yung stopping force is naka-ventilated disc brake. And we have here the shark fin antenna and a silver piano finish na roof rail. We have here the spoiler, the third brake light, the upgraded Nissan Intelligent Mobility System from the brand is also included in the Nissan Terra. This gives access to an around view monitor, frontal collision warning, intelligent emergency braking, lane departure warning, driver awareness, blind spot warning, hill start, and hill descent control. The Nissan Terra also has a tire pressure monitoring system, although only on this VL variant. So meron tayo ditong rear camera na makikita and malaking Terra emblem. So dito sa likod may nakikita tayong ditong accent na black and silver accent. So in terms of suspension, the Terra continues to use the same D23 chassis as its track sister, with 5 links overall and a stabilizer bar. The multi-link suspension system keeps the same smooth ride as its prior version. The Terra's independent double wishbone front suspension system uses coil spring. So medyo maganda talaga yung ride, no, ni Nissan Terra. Medyo smooth yung ride ni Nissan Terra. Alright, so pasok tayo dito sa cabin. So mapapansin natin dito yung cabin theme is a combination of red and black, no? accent dito sa loob ng cabin, which gives more attention kasi yung color dito sa side is more or less same color sa body. Alright, so electronic yung adjustment. Meron din siyang electronic adjustment for the lumbar support. Sa dashboard, combination of a red and a black color. Merong soft touch, yung mga red accents, naka soft touch. Then wireless charging. Meron din tayo mga USB ports, yung socket. Naka push start button. So dito sa steering wheel, it is wrapped with leather. And meron ding mga controls. So the 80 shifter panel, meron tayong nakikita dito ang mga buttons. The parking button, electronic. Dalawang malalaking cup holders. Yung center console, naka leather. Merong socket tayo din nakikita dito. Yung lagay ng gamit. May sunglasses holder. Dito sa driver, may mirror and may halogen light. By the way guys, yung speaker nito is naka-Bose yung speaker. And it has 8 speaker sound system. And for this variant, for this VL variant kahit 4x2, meron din siyang 11-inch flip down monitor with an HDMI connector. Okay, nakikita natin sa second row. Alright, so maganda yung quality ng leather, parang may accent. And at the rear portion, for the dashboard perspective, maganda din yung design ng dashboard. For the infotainment, it has a 9-inch advanced touchscreen display audio paired to the 8-speaker Bose premium sound system. So maganda yung quality ng music, no, ng sound. So meron tayong pocket dito, makikita. And then ito yung sinasabi natin na 11-inch screen display for the second row passengers. Merong aircon vents dito and yung control ng AC. So the LED cabin lights. And meron tayo dito nakikita ang grab handle sa side, which is very important for an SUV. Yung comment ko lang dito is hindi pa siya naka power tailgate. Pero yung folding dito sa likod is naka-flatten. So ito yung HDMI na port na pwede natin i-connect doon sa 11-inch na screen, sa center na screen display. So maganda din yung space dito sa likod kasi nga naka-flatten yung design, which gives more space for the cargo. Pero hindi pa siya naka-power tailgate guys. In terms of safety, this SUV is still equipped with a total of 6 airbags. 2 for the driver and front passenger up front, 2 more for the side airbags, and a final pair for the curtain shield airbags on either side of the car. The vehicle is still equipped with standard 3-point seat belts for all occupants and an anti-lock braking system or ABS with EBD or the electronic brake force distribution. Alright, so at this point magte-test drive tayo for this Nissan Terra. I-feel natin yung comfort and yung acceleration dito sa VL variant 4x2. So kikita natin dito sa screen, naka 360 yung camera. Pero yung ano ko lang guys, yung comment ko lang dito is hindi siya medyo malinaw yung screen. Hindi siya high definition yung screen display. So Meron tayo dito nakikitang USB ports din sa likod and dalawang aircon vents. So magaganda yung quality ng leather. Okay. So by the way, special thanks po pala sa Nissan Gateway dito sa Talisay City branch for assisting us. So meron tayo dito nakikitang center console pala for the second row. For booking, reservation, or test drive, you can look for Miss Queenie Del Rosario with her contact number. Alright. So, thank you Ma'am Queenie for allowing us to review this unit and for assisting us for this test drive.
Kayo, ano eh? Wala na kakaroon niyang kuwan? Okay, gulitan niyo. Wala, videoin lang din.
Ano ka na Mami, yung design ilang chair.
Basta kuan siya ma'am na takot sila. Naani Paul ang money. Ako gichatan pag-auso na ko.
Kasi daw. Ini punya accent nila noon sa ilang pilit. Mabidagang kay aircon.
Unay bangga to na sir.
Sa dashboard.
May kadako na ilang ko ano monitor.
Ako tuwa yung kasama.
Wala na ilang monitor. Dili na nakadako ang ko ano, fortuner di.
Mas kuan ni ma'am. Takot kayo sa kuan sa compare sa Fortuner. Untay ganan mong car sir. Kuan sa kayo.
Ilan ka siya niya?
8.
Luag na po diri di ang kuan di. Ang space.
Si Paul, si Paul sa sulod.
Si Paul.
Kauban ako.
Si Arnold.
Harold Paul.
Ha?
Harold Paul.
Arnold Paul.
Harold Paul. Okay, nakasis pa ako client. Na dito cheap, gibili na kong money.
Di ang kuan ni di ang airbag.
Nara airport. Automatic sir. Oo, automatic sir.
Nice yung accent. Nice yung accent.
Nindot mo siya ang combination niya ma'am.
Okay,
Kung sa work
right.
at sa interior at sa outside.
So far guys, maganda yung ride quality. Smooth yung ride niya and comfortable. Of course, this is a Nissan brand, so maganda talaga yung air condition. Ang ano ko lang dito guys is yung medyo may lag from the first gear to the second gear, no? Yung transmission medyo may lag sa shift, sa pag-shift. Same with my experience doon sa Navara before. Pero pag high gear na, medyo matuli na yung ano, yung shifting niya.
Oh, sir. Kunya, warning siya, like for example, sensor siya red. Na siya yung start assist. Intelligent forward collision. Kuan siya sir, kanang warning na siya for emergency braking. Kalit lang siya brake. And then rear cross, traffic alert. Then blind spot warning. Siya yung departure warning sir. Wala ni siya I think wala siya ma-set na warning. Kalit siya, clean siya. And then ma'am, naatay katay hindi pa ko tanan ng airbag. Fix ka po.
And sinubukan nating idiin yung gas pedal and maganda naman yung arangkada niya. Maramdaman mo yung power of this Nissan Terra, especially pag nasa high speed ka na. So smooth na yung shifting. Doon lang talaga sa first and second gear, no? Yung pag-shift medyo may lag konti. Pero maganda yung quality ng sound guys. Kasi nga naka-boost yung speaker and 8, no, yung total speaker nito. So maganda yung quality ng music for this Nissan Terra. So overall judgment natin dito for this Terra 4x2 VL variant is 8 out of 10. Pero depende pa din yun sa perspective natin kasi iba-iba naman yung choice natin and preference. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Jubal's Car Vlogs. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye and God bless.